Will artificial intelligence take your job? It's a question millions are asking as AI tools grow faster, smarter, and more capable every day. On one side, the fear is real. Machines now write emails, diagnose diseases, trade stocks, and even create art. Tasks that once required years of human skill are being automated in seconds. For many, that means job insecurity, layoffs, and the worry of becoming irrelevant. But here's the other side. Throughout history, new technologies have always replaced some jobs, but also created new ones. When the printing press arrived, scribes lost their roles, but publishing, education, and knowledge sharing exploded. When computers spread, some clerical jobs vanished, but entire industries like IT and software were born. The truth is, AI isn't just about replacement, it's about transformation. Jobs that rely on repetition may shrink, but jobs that demand creativity, emotional intelligence, problem solving, and human connection will remain and even grow. So, should we fear AI or should we adapt? The challenge lies in how we prepare, reskilling, lifelong learning, and embracing AI as a collaborator instead of an enemy. Because in the end, the question isn't whether AI will replace us, it's whether we're ready to evolve with it.